So this is my annual birthday get ready with me. Taking the Laura Mercier blank canvas illuminating primer. So I am 31 today, but I think by the time you're actually watching this tutorial it's tomorrow because I won't be uploading this tonight. I think I'm uploading my She Glam makeup haul today. I know I probably should be working on my birthday but I want to get something up for you, so you will be seeing this tomorrow, but today is my birthday, the 14th. For foundation, I'm taking the NARS Light Reflecting. I'm taking a mixture between Punjab and Barcelona, mainly Punjab. These are both my fake tan shades. Punjab is a wee bit lighter, and then Barcelona is obviously a wee bit darker because I haven't got a lot of fake tan on at the minute. It's not fresh, it's actually due to be scrubbed off, to be honest. So I'm just taking a wee bit of them. Like, there's not really much between the two of them, but you can definitely see that Barcelona is definitely a wee bit darker from whenever my tan's more fresh. NARS Creamy Concealer. I take the shade Chantilly. So we're going full glam and full coverage today. I'm not actually doing much for my birthday. This is probably like the worst thing about having a birthday during the week, isn't it? Is that there's not, like, I know where I'm from, like I don't live in a big city or anything, so there's never anything to do. But no, so basically this evening me and my parents are just having a nice dinner, and then at the weekend that's when the party starts. Although I'm 31, I don't drink and I don't party, so not really much of a party there, but I think we are going out to a friend's house and we're just gonna have a wee bit of something there. And then this is something I've been doing recently. Well, just like the past couple of years of my birthdays. I think maybe the past 3 years actually. I don't know what it is, but it just always seems to be like a sheer coincidence that around my birthday, or like after my birthday, I always take a trip to IKEA. So that's also what I've planned. A trip to IKEA. I am a sad bastard. I don't know, it's weird. It's the strangest thing ever. Like, just coincidentally, the past 3 years, around and after my birthday, I've taken myself on a wee trip to IKEA purposely to buy plants. And also because there's no IKEA anywhere near us, we have to drive to Belfast, like the city. It nearly is a day out in itself anyway. Oh my god, my skin is looking so good. You know, it's not very often I actually combine and put together my NARS concealer with the NARS foundation. My skin is like butter. It's looking absolutely flawless. I don't think I've used this shade yet. Culver City from Colourpop. Oh, yeah, these are quite pigmented, so I'm just going to start with just that wee blob. It's these wee liquid blushes. These blend out absolutely beautifully. So they do. One thing I'm not a fan of though is the fact that there's quite a bit of shine off them. Like, it's fine, like I'll do a bit of setting and everything, but sometimes I don't like how glossy these wee blushes can look. Do you know I'm full of birthday cake? I've had 3 slices of birthday cake for breakfast. Wow. I absolutely love this wee powder. This wee powder is a wee gem. This wee gem that was sitting in my collection for all this time. And don't be shy. Hi, darling. No! Oh my goodness. Oh, my plant is really dying. Here's me wanting to go to IKEA and get more plants whenever the ones I have are suffering as it is. So I got a birthday card from Stanley this morning. Obviously from Kyle. I asked for one last year. I really wanted a birthday card from Stanley last year. Didn't get one. But I said to him this year, I was like, I want a birthday card from Stanley. So it wasn't one of those, if he wanted to, he would. No, Kyle needs to be told these things and I need to ask for them. Whoa. God, was I getting really angry there without realising? Look how much blush I put on. Do you know what? I'm going to leave it like that because a blush is always like the first thing to fade anyway. And then just a wee bit of bronzer. Just the one from Vive. I've just been using this recently a lot because I've hit pan quite a bit, and this is what happens whenever I end up hitting pan quite a bit in products. I use it consistently then until it's basically used up, and why not, you know. I'm going to take this shade here to start with on the eyes. I'm going to take the Rich palette from Beauty Bay. It's the first palette that I lifted this morning, so I'm just going to pop this just in the outer corner and just blend that just up to the crease and just at the outer corner. So I want to do something quite smoky, like smoky, sexy, sultry. Stanley, you demon! What are you doing? No. The hell? What a possessed cat. Jeez. And then I'm gonna go into brioche. Is that brioche? Yeah, I'll just say brioche, this one here. So I'm taking that brioche shade and blending that in the upper crease, just under the brow. Also joining it to the outer corner as well. And then I'm going to take Mahogany. So just taking this darkest shade to darken and deepen up at the inner corner. I'm liking how this is starting to kind of like maybe a wee bit purpley toned. You see these burgundy shades on blue eyes are absolutely beautiful. They're so complimentary. They just make your eye pop. And then the shade beside Mahogany, Liquor, I'm going to take a wee bit of that and I'm going to be placing this kind of somewhat diagonally as if I'm blending, or as if I'm using this shade to blend out a winged smoky liner. You know, kind of applying it and bringing it over slightly. You can see that purple undertone coming through. Beautiful. And then building that up on the outer corner. The liquor shade. liquor. God, I'm really not that bright, am I? There's a reason why I'm sitting in a bedroom putting makeup on for a living. And then just a wee bit of blending. Do you know, I'm maybe just thinking, do I want maybe a wee bit, just a wee bit of sparkle instead of going full on with this? Because I have to say, to see the shimmery shades in this palette, we have 2 rows of shimmers basically, and then a couple of darker, or sorry, you can't see, darker and deeper shimmers along here, and then there's a random shimmer up there. But these are just, they're nearly like metallic. Let's see, let's switch this one. Like, they're not as intense as what this is going to be, but sometimes that's all I like, is just a wee, like a wee kiss of sparkle, a wee wash of something all over the lid, and not too intense and overpowering. Just a wee bit of glow. Is that what I want? This shade here, Candle, looks quite nice. Oh yes, that is bloody stunning. It's like a mauvey, like goldy pink or something. I was looking, oh, top's all twisted. I was looking to see if I had any plum eyeliners, but I don't. So I'm taking the Mulholland Drive High Pigment Liner from Colour NARS. And that used to saying Colourpop. So this is like a nice, oh I don't really want to swatch it on my hand. But that's what looks at there. It has a bit of a shimmer through it. It's really pretty. Okay, so like I said, gonna take the shade Candle. So taking a wee bit on my finger, pressing that all in, just all over the lid, inner corner. Use my finger to kind of blend it up to the crease. Also gonna bring it right over as well. So I'm going to take that shade Liquor and run that along my lower lash line. And then for lips, this is Doll Beauty Around the World. I'm also going in with a bit of Stiletto for Make It Revolution. Okay my loves, so that's us. Thank you so much for watching. Other products I did use, be listed and linked down below in the description box. And yeah, I suppose thanks mum and dad for having sex, and now I'm 31 and I'm here and I have to pay taxes. Love ya! But on another note, I'm loving the makeup. What do you think? This is perfect. This was everything I envisioned. Just something kind of simple, yet full glam, sultry, sexy, smoky. Perfect. Thank you guys anyway for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.